All right, Scott Bauer standing by, CEO Prosper Trading Academy. All right, Scott, I guess we got to get golfing together because I'm getting zinged now in the office.
Absolutely. Great indoor mini golf place right by you.
Okay, I might stand a chance there.
You're all in on that one.
Nothing there farther than 15 yards.
It's okay. It's all good. You gotta...
All right, let's talk today's action. What do you think, Scott? We're going into the close up a percent, basically where we started this morning. So I guess we're chilling out until inflation tomorrow.
So I have mixed feelings. You know, I look at a stock like NVIDIA, which is a market leader, which in the past, whether you had a NVIDIA, Microsoft, Apple, the like, they had a number like this and not even such great earnings, but a reaction like this where a stock like that's up 15%, you would think it would take the market with it. And so coming in early this morning, I thought we were going to be up pretty big. We gave all those gains back, which was really, really disappointing to me, meaning to me that, there's not any one stock anymore that can really help this market. It's all the matter of being focused on rates. However, if you look at the technicals, we have the S&Ps trade right below the 50 and bounced. We had the NASDAQ trade right below the 200 and bounced. So again, now on the other side, that's a pretty, optimistic thing for me to look at. But I still think here to find a leader in the marketplace here, you're not going to do it. It's all going to be what is the sentiment about what the Fed is doing, and at what point does the market become accepting or complacent enough about what the Fed is doing that we can make a next leg higher. I'm not so sure we get that anytime soon.
So it's a kind of a myopic rates market. It seems like you're saying here, Scott, as long as bonds are calm, then it seems like we can, find some stability. Of course, helps to have NVIDIA, 14%.
Absolutely. I mean, look what bonds did this morning. They ticked up, right? The equities were up this morning. Bonds were kind of unchanged. Bonds rallied, or yields rallied a little bit. And now, in the afternoon and where we are right now, we're seeing yields come off a little bit, and the equities are reacting the other way. So it is absolutely the bond market leading the equity market at this point.
Okay. And with that said, tomorrow with inflation, I guess we've got a day here for potential fireworks still left in the bag. Dollar kind of neutral on the session. We're going to talk in the next block a little bit about what to expect from the Bank of Japan and elsewhere around the world. I mean, it does seem like right now there is some competing central bank narrative outside of just the Fed where, there could be a little pushback that keeps that dollar under some pressure maybe?
There's no question about it, because we've seen the rally back in all of these other, currencies because they've gotten more aggressive. For the longest time, they were lagging the U.S. central bank here, the Fed. They were lagging. Now they've caught up and maybe even accelerating a little bit faster than the Fed. So yes, that is what's keeping a little bit of headwinds, a little bit of pressure on the dollar.
Okay. All right, great catch up. Thanks, Scott. Nice preview here for tomorrow, an assessment of today's action. CEO Prosper Trading Academy, and my future mini putt partner.